Explorers, Kitty Explorer here, and today I am back with another sustainability video with a little bit of a twist, a little bit of fun, a little bit of beauty. And today I am bringing you Nail Reserve. I got a package in the mail from them. They reached out to me and they wanted me to try out these different nail polishes they have because they are just wonderful. We'll get into it in a moment. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about why I was interested in trying their nail polishes. I'm going to show you the different colors. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the brand, and then I'm going to demonstrate how it works. Obviously, we know how to paint our nails, I hope, but I'm still going to show you how it looks on my nails, and then I'll come back in a week and just give a little update about how my nails worked after a week, and then in the comments in my description box later on I'll tell you how long the actual nail polish lasts. So let's get into today's video. And just to let you know, I'm Kitty Explorer, and here on my channel I talk about all things travel, photography, and sustainability. Now let's get into it. Oh, and by the way, before we get into this video, make sure you stay all the way to the end so you can find out a discount code, a link to buy your own Nail Reserve nail polishes at a discounted rate. So you'll find that out at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. So when Nail Reserve reached out to me, I was definitely intrigued. So from about 2014 to 2020, I used to get my nails done once a month. I started out with just getting gel nail polish, and I went to SNS because it lasted longer. And I stopped in 2020 for a moment because of the pandemic. Beginning of the pandemic, we couldn't go to the nail salons and stuff. So I tried doing it at home, but it was a complete disaster. And then later in 2020, I was already thinking about cutting that out of my budget because it's quite expensive to go to the nail salon, but it also is therapeutic. But I was like, I could be saving that money for something else. Well, I went to the nail salon and the nail tech cut himself and he didn't know, and I ended up with his blood on my hand. So that was a wrap for me. And I was like, I'm not doing it anymore. So I haven't really had my nails done for a while, which is really unfortunate for me. And when I do my nails, I just use regular nail polish, which hardly lasts 2 days. It starts wearing off, peeling and everything just by washing your hands. It will last on my toes a little bit longer, but it still doesn't look that good after a while. So I'm like, okay, we're gonna get this Nail Reserve box, try it out and see how it works, because this may be my go-to going forward. So now let me tell you a little bit about what Nail Reserve is. So let me tell you a little bit about Nail Reserve. I have my notes down below because I don't want to forget anything about this company. So let me tell you about them. So first of all, it is a LA city-based company, and the founders created Nail Reserve because they have a strong belief in the power of beauty. They want to help all women and men build their confidence no matter who they are or where they're from by giving them the best in their nails. That is wonderful. But what I really love about Nail Reserve and how it ties into my sustainability track is that Nail Reserve manufactures and sells high quality, vegan, 9-free and cruelty-free gel polishes, as well as nail accessories. And they currently have 100 plus incredible colors, and they introduce new colors every single month. How awesome is that? Vegan-free and cruelty-free nail polish. And when I say vegan-free, they break it down in their values is that they never use any animal-derived ingredients in their formulas. When they say cruelty-free, they never test ingredients, gels, or any products on animals. And 9-free means they remove the 9 most harmful chemicals from their formulas. And so that means like things that you just can't pronounce. Harmful things for you and the planet. So I really appreciated that when they reached out to me. So I'm gonna open up the box here and show you the nail polishes I got. So I started to peel this. so here is how the box looks on the inside. It's nicely packaged with all the nail polishes. So I got a base coat that will be applied before I put on the nail polish. I have a top coat that will be applied after I apply the nail polish colors. And now for the 5 colors that I picked out from their website that they sent me. The first is the Girl Code. Next up is Let's Have Fun. And I just love the names of their nail polishes. Now is Red Attic, Kiss Me Now, and lastly, Ice Skating. All right, so now that you have seen the colors and what I have, I am going to go get my LED light because you have to use the LED light to dry the nail polish properly. So I'm gonna go grab that. And then I'm going to put on the nail polish colors. And actually I'm gonna pick out the colors I'm gonna use today, but I also wanna show you the other colors that I'm not gonna use. So I'm gonna just put it on and wipe it off real quick. So let's head on over to demonstration. So I decided I'm going to use these 2 colors for my nails today. So I'm gonna set that aside. So I just want to test out and show you these 3 different colors on nails, and then I'm gonna remove it really quickly. First up, this is the Red Attic. I love red. Can't go wrong with a red nail. So let's see what it looks like on my nails. And so I'm not gonna do the full process, which I'll show you here shortly. And just to let you know, they do recommend 3 to 4 small coats, which we're not gonna do, but I just wanna show you how the color looks on my nail. So that is what it looks like. Really nice color there. Next up, I just want to show you how this wonderful color looks, which is the Girl Code. I just love this name and I had to get it, and I love yellow as well. It is a nice summer color. So let's test it out. And I almost chose this color for today, but I decided to go with the pink. Oh. So here is how that looks. And finally, this is the Ice Skating nail polish. I think this is a pretty color for fall time. So let's check it out. How pretty is that? That is a beautiful color. I'm glad I chose that color. It is absolutely gorgeous color. Okay, so today I am using these 2 colors for my nails. And it's really pretty color. And so I'm gonna use the Let's Have Fun, which is kind of like a hot pink color. And I'm gonna use the Kiss Me Now for one of my nails, the ring finger, which is a silver glittery color. So I'm gonna use those 2 colors today. They do say to make sure you clean your nails up, cut them, do some buffing, put oil on it and all that. I did that earlier and I had to cut my nails because this one broke while traveling recently. I don't know why. I always break a nail when I travel on my luggage, every time. And so I already shaped them up, cleaned them up and all that. And my skin eats up oil, so they look dry again. So in order to apply the nail reserve, you're going to start with the base coat as seen here. Put a light coat on, and then you're gonna let it cure under the LED lights for 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm going to apply this really quickly. And I'm not like a nail tech or anything, so I may go outside those lines, y'all. I may just go. I may go out of them. Oh gosh, see? So I have the base coat on. Now I'm going to put them under the LED lights for 30 to 60 seconds. BRB. Now it's time to put on the color, the fun. And so for the color, they instruct to put on light coats, 3 to 4 coats until the color is smooth and there's no gaps. Honestly, gonna say I'm not gonna be perfect at this because like I said, I am not a nail tech. So, let me start by putting on a light coat of the pink color. And this pink is so pretty. Like, let me just dab this in here. Like, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous color. So make sure there's not too much residue on there because then we're gonna have trouble. So light coat. I'm already outside of the lines. Oh my gosh. So that's the start of the pink. So now I'm going to apply the Kiss Me Now, you vegan cruelty-free nail polish onto my ring finger on this hand, its first coat, and cure that. And then I will put the other color on my right hand off camera because you do not need to see me struggle. You do not need to see me struggle. Here it is so far. I'm already loving this, and it's not even, this is just the first coat on each hand. So BRB again, because you know you have to cure for 30 to 60 seconds. So I end up going back through this process 4 times. So I ended up applying 4 light coats to my fingernails and trying to wipe off any residue from my actual skin because, like I said, I can go outside of the line sometimes. So I would switch from one hand, cure it, and then paint the other hand. I do highly recommend just doing one hand at a time. So I'm going to finish putting on my coats and then come back for the last top coat. All right, now for the last step, which is to apply the no wipe top coat. And the no wipe means like when you get a top coat, like I remember at the salon, they would have to wipe it afterwards to finish applying it, like with, I don't know what exactly they were wiping it with, but I know he always wiped it. But this time with this no wipe top coat, I don't have to do that. I just apply it and then let it cure for 30 to 60 seconds. So I'm gonna apply it to my left hand, apply it to my right hand off camera, and I'm gonna cure it off camera, and then I'll come back with the final look and also give you that link, that discount code, and tell you more about it. So let me apply this top coat. There's that. So again, I'm gonna go off camera and do this hand and cure it. So BRB, and my nails are complete. What do you think? What do you think? They are so cute. I love it. It kind of reminds me of going to the salon. It took about the same amount of time, I would say, but I'm not like the best with painting my nails in between the lines. So let me tell you a little bit more and give you this discount code. Okay, I'm back. It's been 4 or 5 days since I did my nails. I needed to come back in that amount of time so I can put this in my video and edit it. But anyway, so here are my nails. Here are my nails after 4 or 5 days. Still holding up well. The only one that may have a problem is this one. This is my main hand. And I did not seal the nail well with the top coat. I noticed it maybe an hour or so after I finished doing my nails and it drying. And I noticed that there was a discoloration because, like slight discoloration, because I did not put enough top coat over on the side. So that might peel early. And I used to always tell my nail tech when I got gel polish done to like really seal and put it like some underneath the nail, because I'm reckless and I do a lot of stuff. But since I did my nails, I have cooked, I have showered, I have cleaned, I have done a lot of stuff, and nothing's happened to the nails. So they're holding up really nicely and I really appreciate it. So I'm gonna come back and provide updates over the next month. So it is today, when this video is coming out, is July 14th. So up through August 14th, 2022, I will give updates on these nails. So who is interested in discount code? I just have to say that it does not smell like that bad. The only thing that smelled kind of bad was the no white top coat. But other than that, it didn't really have a smell. You know, usually nail polish is a very, very strong smell. Okay. So are you ready for the discount code? So you can get 50% off with the code KETA50 when you head on over to their website. Again, the code is KETA50, and I'll also leave a link to the website down below in my description box. You can follow that link, and the link is bit.ly/nailreserve_KETA50. So you can visit that site, put in that code KETA50 so you can get 50% off. And this 50% off will be for a minimum of 2 gel nail polishes. So you must get two gel nail polishes in order to get this discount. And it will not work, just to note, if they have any automatic promotions on the website, it's not going to work because you're going to get a nice little promotion otherwise. But yeah, definitely KETA50, get 50% off, get you this vegan cruelty-free nail polish, and nail polish with not as many chemicals. Okay, explorers, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button. And if you have any questions about this vegan cruelty-free nail polish, make sure you leave that down below in the comment box. And I hope you enjoyed this video of finding something that is fun and is cute and is still nice and is sustainable. For me, it's getting better than the nail polishes that I had in the past or driving to the nail salon. And it saves money, of course, because you're doing it yourself at home. And just to let you know, this is a soak off gel, so you will have to soak it off with your preferred soak off method after you're done with this polish. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and a notification bell is free for you to do so. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for being a subscriber and for your continuous support. And make sure you share this video with your friends, family, and your social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day or night wherever in the world you are. Bye.